This $26 stock has already skyrocketed more than 400% in just the past few months. And with a market cap of only $6 billion, it might only be getting started. In this video, I'll reveal which stock this is, my exact price targets, and where I would look to enter. Plus, because smart investors never rely on just one play, I'll also share 2 more high upside stocks you'll definitely want on your radar. So let's dive straight in. First up is IREN Limited, ticker symbol IREN. It's currently trading around $26, and this company owns and operates data centers powered entirely by renewable energy, purpose built for Bitcoin mining, AI cloud services, and other power intensive computing. With demand for these capabilities surging, the company is positioned for significant growth opportunities. Naturally, you might wonder how much growth, and to answer that, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool, which looks like this for IREN Limited, and the way it works is as the price starts climbing up, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find resistance. So we usually see the price go up to one of these areas, pull back a little bit, go up to the next one, pull back, and so on. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these Fibonacci areas, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So based on this, what are some areas where we could see the price find significant resistance and where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first price target is going to be around here, which is $31.10. The level above this is going to be up here, which is around $41.25. And the third price target is going to be $57.26. There are some price targets above these three as well, and I'll talk more about these in future update videos as the price gets closer to these three targets. So as the price starts climbing up, locking in some profits as it gets to these key Fibonacci areas could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. Having an exit strategy is very important as it enables you to make the most of runs like this, and it also gives you opportunities to take profits before heavy retracements. And the only thing worse than not taking profits up here is initially getting in here and watching the price plummet straight away. This does not feel good, but there are tools we can use to reduce the chances of situations like this happening. And one of these tools is the Fibonacci retracement, which looks like this for IREN. And the way it works is as the price starts retracing, these levels of the Fibonacci are where we tend to see the price find support before it bounces back up. Knowing this, investors using this tool like to either buy or dollar cost average down around these Fibonacci areas, which enables them to have an average entry price as close to the bottom of the retracement as possible. So based on this, what are some areas where you might want to consider either entering or potentially averaging down? The first entry level is going to be around here, which is $20.21. The level below this is going to be around $17.33. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $14.50. So as the price starts retracing, initially getting in at the higher Fibonacci level and dollar cost averaging down at the lower levels if the retracement continues could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. Now, if you're thinking, okay, these entry points and the price targets make sense, but I don't have the time to constantly keep an eye on the price to catch it when it hits one of these key levels, then don't worry because I've got a free solution for you. I've got this free service that you can sign up for, and I'll send you alerts as soon as the price hits our entry points and also our price targets completely for free. The link to join this is in the description below, but don't worry about signing up now. Feel free to continue watching this video and I'll remind you about this at the end. So Iron Limited was the first stock on our list. Let's now take a look at the second stock, which is Oracle Corporation, ticker symbol ORCL. Is currently trading around $226 and is another stock that has the potential to go much higher from here. To figure out how much higher, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool again, which looks like this, and some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits are going to be the following. The first price target is going to be $278, and the level above this is going to be up here, which is $377. So from the current price, we're looking at an upside of around 67% to this price target, which is not bad, but it can be even better if we can secure some cheaper entries. So let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for Oracle to get some entry points. This is what the Fibonacci retracement is looking like, and some areas where you might want to consider either entering or averaging down are going to be the following. The first entry point is actually going to be close to the current price, which is roughly $227. The level below this is going to be around here, which is $206. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $189. So Oracle was the second stock on our list, and you've probably noticed that I'm using technical analysis to break these down. Some people trade based on the news, others focus on earnings, and then there are those like myself who stick to charts and indicators. There are lots of different ways to invest, but if you're wondering which strategy performs the best, the one that's given me the biggest edge is investing alongside key US politicians. Over the past few years, this approach has consistently outperformed everything else I've come across. When certain politicians make moves in the market, it often signals something bigger, and being able to track that has made a huge difference in my results. If you're curious about how it works, I put together this free video that walks you through the exact strategy I use, including real trade examples and the returns it's delivered over the last 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you want to see how powerful this strategy can be. Coming back to the third stock on our list, which is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, ticker symbol TSM. It's currently trading around $230 and is another company that is seeing a surge in demand and has significant growth opportunities. And we can use the Fibonacci extension tool here as well to get some price targets. So I've just added it to the chart here, and this is what it looks like for TSM. The price appears to be finding some very strong resistance around this Fibonacci level, which is around $146. But some areas that you might want to consider using as price targets are going to be the following. The first target is going to be around $277, and the level above this is going to be up here, which is $365. So similar to what we said for the previous stocks, locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these key areas could be an exit strategy worth considering. But before we can exit, we need to enter, so let's now take a look at the Fibonacci retracement for this. This is what the retracement is looking like for TSM, and some areas where you might want to consider entering are going to be the following. The first entry point is going to be around $204. The level below this is going to be around $191. And the third entry point is going to be down here, which is $178. I will be making update videos on these three companies as the price approaches our key Fibonacci levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll also be bringing you the best investment opportunities multiple times a week, so that's another reason to subscribe. Also, if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. And if you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to this free video explaining everything is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. As promised, this is a reminder to sign up for the free alerts. The link to join this is also going to be in the description below. It's worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. If you have any thoughts on these companies or want to share some stocks that have been catching your attention recently, then feel free to drop those in the comment section below. It would be good to learn about those. And if you'd like to watch another video where I talk about the stocks Cathie Wood is investing in right now, then feel free to click on the video that's currently on your screen. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.